Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Did you just get your new sewing machine and wonder what you need to get from the store? Bobbins and a bobbin case. Any kind of case will work. I actually have a old ammo box for my bobbin case because it's the perfect size. These are seam rippers. Get at least 3 of them because it's very annoying playing hide and seek with them, and they do hide very well. You need an old time school ruler, and you use these to draw between point A and point B. It gives you a straight line. Hand needles, an absolutely must. Elastic, the width that you need depends on the project you're making, and you would usually buy this with the project that you're making. Magnifying glass? Why would you need that? People like me can't see that hole in that sewing machine needle. You need some type of pin cushion, which is a great beginner's project. A set of screwdrivers that you buy at any sewing store that fit your sewing machine to change out your sewing machine feet. Take your bobbin plate off. Sewing machine needles, you have different types of them. You've got sharp, you've got universal, you've got leather, ballpoint, and overlock. Currently out of denim needles, so I need to go get denim needles. But the leather needles, do you need them? I don't know. Depends. Are you sewing leather, and do you have a machine sturdy enough to sew leather? I do, so I have leather needles. Overlock needles. I have them, but I don't have an overlocker. I bought a bag of sewing stuff at a garage sale that had overlocker needles in it, so I don't use them. You'll need a tape measure with inches on one side and centimeters on the other side. A pair of sewing scissors are an absolute must, and I would write do not use on these because somebody will use them for paper and mess them up. You need thread, but I would buy the thread according to the project that you're doing. That way you get the right color and the right type of thread. Got a jar of buttons for any size buttons, and how many ever different ones I need, I can just pick them out of here. I need a bottle of sewing machine oil with oil in it. I need zippers of various sizes and lengths. You will use Velcro from time to time. This is a hem gauge. You just slide this down like that, and it tells you how much hem you're leaving. And a crochet needle. No, you're not taking up crochet. This is to pop the corners out of your material. Pattern, not necessarily. If you're a beginner, I would stick with the easy stuff first and go to a pattern later. Here I have a Velveeta cheese box with thread in it. Here I got another little box with thread in it. Here I've got some bias hem facing, and that will turn into one of your favorite things to use when sewing. That covers most of your basic sewing items that you need. Most of them, like the zippers and the buttons and the Velcro and the elastic, you buy them according to your project. Later, guys.